2012 Chevrolet Tahoe LT with the remote start. Aluminum alloy wheels, side step running boards, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package, backup camera, third row seating with captain's chairs and rear DVD entertainment system, tinted windows, nice gray leather interior. Just pop your DVD in there. Wood grain trim throughout. WeatherTech floor mats. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Heated front seats. Good on a day like today. Adjustable pedals, navigation, hands-free Bluetooth, automatic headlights, just over 140,000 miles. Come on and see us, AU Cars.